Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the Nepali names for widely known legumes. I have selected a few that are found all over the world, including Nepal. I will first identify the legumes with its English name. Then I will pronounce the Nepali name 3 times. Repeat after me and surprise your parents and grandparents. Let's begin.
Bengal gram.
Kalo chAnA, kalo chAnA, kalo chAnA.
Black gram.
Mas, mas, mas.
Chickpea.
Kawoli chAnA, kawoli chAnA, kawoli chAnA.
Common field bean.
Simi, simi, simi.
Cowpea.
Bori, bori, bori.
Fava bean.
Bakula, bakula, bakula.
Horse gram.
Gahat, gahat, gahat.
Kidney bean.
Rajma, rajma, rajma.
Mung bean.
Mugi, mugi, mugi.
Pea.
Kerau, kerau, kerau.
Peanut.
Badam, badam, badam.
Pigeon pea.
Rahar, rahar, rahar.
Red bean.
Moshang, moshang, moshang.
Red lentil.
Masuro, masuro, masuro.
Soybean.
Bhatmas, bhatmas, bhatmas. This concludes our presentation. Thank you and see you again for the next presentation.